In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect social media links to your Wix website. Whether you're aiming to boost your online presence or simply want your website visitors to stay connected with you on various platforms, linking your social media accounts is an essential step. To get started, we'll begin by navigating to the Wix website editor. Start by logging in and opening the website that you wish to edit. This is your home base for making any design or functionality changes to your website. Once you're in the Wix editor, look toward the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see a series of menu options. Here, locate and click on the social bar. The social bar is a dedicated feature within Wix that provides a convenient and stylish way to display and manage your social media icons all in one place on your site. After you've clicked the social bar, the next step is to customize these links to point to your own social media profiles. You'll want to click on Set Social Links. This is where you'll be able to edit and manage the specific URLs that correspond with each social media icon displayed on your site. Let's take Facebook as an example. If you want to ensure your Facebook page is linked, you will need to first highlight the Facebook icon in the editor. Then you'll want to click on Edit, which will prompt you to enter the correct URL for your Facebook page. This is crucial as it connects that icon directly to your Facebook profile, enabling visitors to find you with ease. Go ahead and paste your Facebook link in the field provided. Double check to make sure the URL is accurate. One wrong character can lead users to a dead end. Once you're satisfied that the link is correct, click on the Done button to save this setting. Now that the link is set, you'll want to test it to confirm everything is working smoothly. For this, move to the top right of the Wix editor and click on Preview. This mode allows you to experience your website from a visitor's perspective without exiting the editor. Within Preview, find and click on the Facebook icon that you just linked. Watch the magic happen as it leads you directly to your Facebook profile, just as it will for your visitors. This step ensures that no missteps were made and that your social connectivity is seamless. Once you are satisfied with how the links are working, feel free to exit the preview mode and make any additional tweaks if necessary. Congratulations, you've successfully connected your social media links to your Wix site, allowing your audience to engage with you on a whole new dimension. And that's it. You've added significant value to your website, encouraging greater interaction and keeping your community engaged. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more handy tips on improving your website.